it's Ed again from Wedscape Royal Irrigation. So every customer's most important question is always not just when can you install it, but how much. Let me give you some guidelines. Our minimum project is typically not less than $3,200. The range of projects can exceed easily $50,000, but our average project tends to be under $10,000. We can usually accomplish this size job in just one day. Our experienced team members and leadership enables that to happen for you. Again, we give the strongest warranty in the business at 15 years on fixtures, and these systems are usually very easy to add on to. So if you'd like to phase in your job by perhaps lighting up the front yard this year and adding the backyard or pool area in subsequent years, that's something we can easily accommodate. Looking forward to seeing you soon.